Good morning, Mr. Sarkol. I am Justine Dihilia, and I will be conducting your polygraph test regarding the missing office supplies at your workplace. This test will measure your psychological responses while answering a series of questions. Please answer only with yes or no. This test is voluntary, and you may stop at any time. Do you understand and agree to proceed?
Please understand.
Okay. So before we start, I need to ask you some general questions. So first, you have taken a polygraph test before.
No.
Are you currently taking any medication or experiencing any medical conditions?
No.
Do you understand that I will ask you questions about the missing supplies?
Yes.
So now I will review the question. I will ask during the test. Let me know if you have any concerns. So is your name Lemon Circle? Do you work at company name? Where do you inside the supply room? Ay, balik sa okay. Is your name Mr. Raymond Cisarcon?
Yes.
Okay. Um, do you work at Jollibee?
Yes.
Then where you inside at company room on March 27, 2025?
Yes.
Did you take any office supplies without permission?
No.
Do you know who took the missing items?
No.
Are you telling the truth in this case?
Yes.
Yan na.
Okay, factors of affecting accuracy. Anxiety and stress. Nervous individual may exhibit psychological change similar to deception. Baseline error. If the examiner does not account for pre-existing stress, may skew result.